In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to compress a PDF file in Adobe Acrobat. If you've ever needed to email a large PDF or upload one to a site with size limits, compressing it can make sharing faster and easier while keeping the document intact. Start by opening your PDF in Adobe Acrobat on your computer. This guide applies to the desktop version of Acrobat, where you'll find the compression tools built in. Once your file is open, go to the File menu at the top left. From there, choose Save as Other, and then select Reduced Size PDF. This is the quick, reliable way to shrink your file without changing its content or layout. Depending on your version of Acrobat, the option might be in a slightly different place. If you don't see Reduced Size PDF under Save as Other, click the Tools tab instead, open Optimize PDF, and then choose Reduce File Size. Both paths lead to the same result, so use whichever appears in your interface. A dialog box will appear asking you to choose a compatibility level. This sets the minimum version of Acrobat that can open your compressed file. In general, selecting a higher Acrobat version gives better compression, which means a smaller file. The trade-off is that people using very old PDF viewers might not be able to open it. If your audience uses up-to-date software, choosing a newer compatibility level is a smart way to reduce the size more effectively. When you're satisfied with your choice, click OK. Next, you'll be prompted to select where to save the new file and to give it a name. To keep things organized, consider adding something like compressed to the file name so you can tell it apart from the original at a glance. Pick a folder you'll remember, confirm the name, and click Save. Acrobat will process the file and create your reduced size version in the location you chose. That's all there is to it. You've opened the PDF, navigated to the Reduce File Size feature, selected a compatibility level for optimal compression, and saved the compressed copy. Keep in mind that higher compression can slightly reduce image quality or remove some embedded data that isn't essential for viewing. If preserving every detail is critical, choose a compatibility level that balances size and quality for your needs. With these steps, you can quickly shrink PDFs for smoother sharing, faster uploads, and easier storage, all without changing the document's content or layout.